Jenkins Nissan, where the deals are real. We offer bottom line pricing on over 700 new vehicles. Cruise in and find the perfect one for you.
Living well isn't about how much you spend. It's about what you do with what you've got. The Nissan Versa sedan is fun, efficient, and roomy with plenty of style too. Choose from 3 models, S, S Plus, and the top-of-the-line SV. Discover where the road takes you. With up to 400 miles between fill-ups, Versa sedan keeps you and your friends cruising. If you're going to go the distance, you need to be comfortable. Versa sedan has a surprisingly roomy interior and plenty of cool tech options to keep you entertained. Bluetooth comes standard, so you can stay connected without the distraction. Bring along all your stuff. Versa sedan has plenty of trunk space, and the available 60/40 split fold-down rear seat gives you even more flexibility. A variety of colors, options, and genuine Nissan accessories means you can build a Versa sedan that's all yours. It's time to embrace change in a Nissan Versa sedan.
Rest assured you will receive fast, friendly, direct, and honest pricing at Jenkins Nissan. You can contact our internet team at 888-706-2134 or visit us in person at 4401 State Road 33 North in Lakeland, Florida.